What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting tech video for you guys, and if you are tired of mowing your lawn front and backyard every weekend and then also having to take out a handheld trimmer to get the edges in those hard to reach spots, today I have the product for you. We're taking a look at the Ecovacs GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro. Robotic mower that not only can mow your lawn, it also can get right up there along the edges and get all those hard to reach spots so that you have to do little to no manual work. And today we're going to run it through the paces, test how well it avoids obstacles with the LiDAR system, and check out all the amazing features that you can tune in the app. So let's go ahead and get right into the review. The standout feature on this mower is the Holoscope 360-degree dual LiDAR navigation system. This is definitely the most important feature. It combines a 360-degree rotating LiDAR, a solid-state 3D TOF LiDAR sensor, and an AI camera. In simple terms, this combination maps your entire yard automatically without boundary wires and without relying on RTK base stations. It maintains navigation accuracy down to approximately 2 centimeters even at night, and I did test this at dusk here in Phoenix and it works very well. This means you get no signal drop under trees or shrubs, no complicated setup, and no buried wires in your yard. You press start and it builds a full holographic map of your lawn in one pass. This is what enables everything else here with the mower to work properly. In my setup, the navigation and setup for the mapping is incredibly simple. All you have to do is simply lead the mower out of the dock a little bit, goes to the boundary, you hit auto mapping, and it goes all around your yard and creates an incredibly accurate map. You guys can see the shape of my front yard as well as the map here in the app and kind of how they match. They are a perfect one-for-one match. It does a very good job. And like I said, even in darker environments, it's able to do this navigation accurately, which was quite impressive to me. Now we're going to talk about the mowing power in just a second, but one of the most annoying things about other robotic mowers on the market is that even though it might mow your lawn properly, it does not go there and clean up all the edges like you would if you had a handheld trimmer, and this is what sets apart the Ecovacs GOAT A3000 LiDAR. The major differentiator here is the integrated TruEdge trimmer. This is Ecovac's first fully automated trimming system built directly into a mower. Instead of stopping at the lawn boundary and leaving cleanup for you to do, it automatically trims along walls, fences, flower beds, and curved edges. The AI camera distinguishes grass from non-grass areas in real time and decides how to trim precisely. That means no handheld trimmer, no second pass, and no manual work for you to do after the robot is done mowing the lawn itself. When TruEdge mode activates, it is noticeably louder than normal mowing, as you can hear, but it's still quieter than a traditional gas trimmer because remember, this is all electric, and importantly, you're not the one holding it, so you're not going to be as affected by the noise. I was definitely impressed with how well the TruEdge trimmer gets up along the boundary. My front yard parallels a sidewalk and then also has a little flower bed boundary on the right side where my neighbor's yard starts, and it gets right up against it and trims it fully so that it looks incredibly professional. Now let's talk about the raw power specs and performance, because Ecovacs did not skimp out on that either with this mower. Under the hood, this runs a 32-volt powerful platform with dual blade disc technology, and this mower can cut through the toughest grass you can find. This delivers up to 400 watts of cutting power and 33 centimeters cutting width with around 0.7 meters per second travel speed. You get up to 400 square meters per hour mowing efficiency, and it handles dense, tall, and overgrown grass with ease. The cutting height is adjustable from 3 to 9 centimeters in 1 centimeter increments directly inside the Ecovacs app. And of course, here in the US, you can also convert that to inches, which is what I did, as you guys can see. And basically, this is going to get you from around 1.2 inches all the way up to around 3.5 inches of cutting precision. And if you're going to be mowing and trimming often, if you have a large backyard and front yard, you're going to need a high battery capacity and fast charging, and that's exactly what you get here. For larger lawns, the battery definitely matters, and this mower uses a 7.5 amp hour battery with 189 watt fast charging, which recharges in about 70 minutes, which is incredibly fast for a robot mower. That means minimal downtime and efficient coverage across all large areas, and if you have a huge lawn to mow, This can honestly be a game changer because on the weekend, you're not going to want too much downtime with the mower, especially if you want to knock out both yards. And of course, you have that scheduling capability in the app. So if you want to make sure that it schedules the front and the backyard at different times of the week, you can do that. You can also change it so that the mower will actually mow horizontal on one pass, and then the next mow, it'll go vertical. So it can switch the orientation, which I thought was very clever and was one of my favorite features of the app itself. And yes, this mower also has intelligent object recognition and avoidance, and it also has support to climb slopes if you have a sloped yard, which was incredibly helpful for me and my family. The GOAT A3000 also features intelligent obstacle avoidance, which is powered by AI vision and 3D TOF LiDAR. It can recognize over 200 types of obstacles and adjust trimming behavior accordingly. It handled my kids' toys and things they use in their sandbox perfectly and did not run them over. It just kind of moves a little bit to the side and then continues along the straight line mowing route that is already on. It can also climb small hills in your yard up to 50% grade. And you can see here, we have a pretty steep hill in my front yard, and it goes up and down that hill with no problem whatsoever, still maintaining the same pace as it was mowing the rest of the yard. So who is this mower for? Let's break it down. This mower is ideal for established homeowners with medium to large lawns that have various segments that you would like to schedule. This barrier crossing, as well as the ability to schedule different zones, makes this very efficient. Busy professionals who don't have time to mow their own yard, seniors seeking low physical effort mowing, tech-forward homeowners, and families with pets and children. It's designed for people who want lawn care done, not managed. And basically at the end of the day, that means you have little to no extra maintenance to do once this mower is done mowing and trimming your yard, which is absolutely fantastic. At the end of the day, this isn't just about automating part of it, it's about finishing the entire job, and I think that Ecovacs really delivered on that promise. The Holoscope 360 ensures precise stable mapping, TruEdge ensures finished edges, 32-volt power platform ensures plenty of cutting power, fast charging ensures efficiency and make sure that you can continue mowing when you need to, and obstacle avoidance ensures safety. For the right homeowner, this can eliminate almost all of your yard maintenance. If you guys are interested in learning more, I'll have all the links below in the pinned comment description, as well as any other discount codes or relevant deals that Ecovacs has going on right now. Huge shout out to Ecovacs for sending this one out for review and also for sponsoring the video. I really do appreciate it. You guys have any questions about how I used it, the various app features, is this a good fit for you? I'd be happy to answer any questions in the comments. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.